Hello friends, welcome to channel Reza Blade. I am your friendly neighborhood Reza, and you have entered the giveaway zone. That is right, it's time for another one of my giveaways. So I'm just going to go through the rules real quick. If you're familiar, you're familiar, but you might be new, you might not have entered one before. So it's open to subscribers only, and unfortunately US addresses only. I'm sorry about that. Please refrain from entering if you've won in the past, say, 3 months. Enter by 11:59 p.m. on February 28th. That's a Wednesday. And I will pick a winner on the 29th. And the winner video will air on the 29th. Oh, yeah. Happy Leap Year, everybody. What would you do for a leap year, Manny? I gotta think about that. So what's in the giveaway? Okay. We have a really fun little stamping gel set with 12 colors. I haven't opened it, but I can try. I realized I probably wanted to kind of show you guys what was in here. At the very least, oh. Yeah, these are embarrassing admittance. Embarrassing confession. I can't open these with the little slot and the tabs and I can't. Anyway, so it says, oh, it has instructions on it, which is excellent. And that whole set is part of the giveaway. Also, if you saw my unboxing video, then you knew that I was kind of in love with these flakies. You can use them with like foil glue. You can kind of mix them into, I'd use something like this, but mix them into clear polish and apply it to the nail right away. All sorts of ways you can use those. They're very cute. I especially like the gold leaf. Really, really nice. But that's not all. What else do we have? We have a stamping plate that I suspect you can't even get anymore. I got this years ago to put in my giveaway stash. This is a brand called Harunouta. They are Born Pretty. And I think that's the Japanese for Born Pretty, but I'm not absolutely certain, so don't quote me on that. But look at all these. This is really a fun spring plate, coincidentally. And there's a bunny, and Easter's coming up. Look at those birds. I love the details on the leaves and the trees. Just all sorts of little aspects, little elements, design elements that could, I mean, I can think of like 10 manis to do with this one plate. L018, Harunouta, if you are looking it up to see a little bit more about it after you've entered. All right, this is Scrubby Putty. This is a Beautometry product. Oh, I forgot to tell you. This side is donated by Beautometry. This side is donated by moi. So the Scrubby Putty is a sugar scrub that is absolutely freaking fabulous. And I use it, well, mine anyway, this is clearly unopened. And I use it to exfoliate the front part of the end of my phalanges. Anyway, the nail bed area, I guess. And it really helps me. I mean, it's not like I'm a star manicurist, clearly. But, I mean, at least on myself. And goodness gracious, is painting your Cinderella hand hard. I love press-ons. Anyway, so here are the ingredients, just in case you are allergic to anything and you might not want to enter. Just to take precautions. So though that is there, I for one always warn people if there's lanolin and things, because I'm allergic to lanolin. But I know that there are allergies that people have, of which I am unaware. There are the ingredients. Okay. So, to enter this giveaway, comment below with your answer to the secret question. I'll assign you a number to every compliant comment. And then I'm going to use a random number generator at the end to draw the winner. Gosh, secret question. Okay, here we go. This is kind of self-serving because it helps me know more about what you want from my channel. Secret question: what aspect of nail art / stamping do you want to know more about? be as specific as you want. Do you want like tips and tricks about ways to remove unwanted lines, etc. from your stamper? Where is the stamper? From your stamper, with, you know, Scotch tape or any other thing. I have made a table of no, this is off topic. I've made a table of ways to different ways you could do this, preparing for eventually a video. So, or do you want a better introduction to multiple stamping brands? Are you looking for discount? I mean, for the first 2 or 3 years, I was technically kind of homeless. I mean, not in secure housing and with no income. So the few dollars I got from my friends and mom, who were kind, some of that I spent on stamping stuff, very cheap stamping stuff, to help heal my soul. And it did heal my soul. Do not underrate nail art. It is such a therapeutic action of self-care, or other care, if you want to give gifts to your friend. I am so off topic here. Do you need help with reverse stamping? What do you want to know more about? Like I said, be as specific as you want. Brevity is not a requirement for this giveaway. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, of course, because, the rules. And set those notifications to all, that solid bell, so you get an alert when I publish or upload my winner drawing video. Thank you all for watching. I hope I didn't miss anything. I was trying to be super Speedy Gonzalez. And thank you for watching and engaging with me. And I am thrilled whenever I get to do a giveaway. It's a great pleasure. So, I bid you good fortune. May the odds be ever in your favor. To the victor go the spoils. I love you all. Good luck.